Rotary Sunshine Lake Park is situated at 269 Water Street in Whitby, Ontario, Canada. It's a cherished waterfront destination along the shores of Lake Ontario. The picturesque park, often confused with sunshine due to its radiant ambience, boasts a soft golden sandy beach and calm clear waters, making it ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and beach volleyball. The park's serene environment and breathtaking sunrise views draw early risers, photographers, and nature enthusiasts alike. Well-maintained trails wind through the park, offering leisurely walks amidst vibrant bird life, appealing to bird watchers and families seeking a peaceful escape. The park features picnic areas, perfect for gathering with tables and open spaces for relaxation. Amenities include accessible bathrooms, but visitors should note that lifeguards are not on duty, so swimming requires a bit of caution. Dogs are welcome in designated areas, adding to the park's family-friendly appeal, and its proximity to attractions like Lynn Shores Conservation Area, which is also known for bird watching, and Huber Downs Conservation Area, which is ideal for hiking, enhances its allure for outdoor adventures. Rotary Sunshine Lake Park is free to the public and serves as a tranquil retreat for all ages, blending natural beauty with recreational opportunities in the heart of Whitby. Whether for a morning stroll or a day by the lake, it is a must-visit destination. You're tuned into Vjay TV, broadcasting from Canada, seen worldwide.